All right, guys, last week of Inktober. Let's get to it. Hide is your first one. Music, number two. Float, number three. Shoes, number four. Ominous, number five. And lastly, crawl, number six. This is it. So only six of them this week because October ends on Saturday, right? Maybe Friday. Maybe Friday. Anyways, only six of them. So pick one of those. This is going to be your last sketchbook for the 9 weeks. The 9 weeks ends next week, Thursday, I believe. So next week's just going to be a catch-up week. You'll have time to get stuff done. Use this week to get stuff done too. If you are behind, some of you guys still need to turn some things in. Make sure you get all that stuff into me. Remember, even if you turn in stuff late, it's going to way help your grade opposed to not turning something in at all, which way hurts your grade. So make sure you get in all 9 sketches for this 9 weeks. And that's about it. So get on those Inktober drawings, get them turned in by Friday, and get anything else done that needs turned in as well. All right. Thank you.